Whenever you want to open your WhatsApp, that time it will not open and gradually your WhatsApp going to off like this. So here guys, this called WhatsApp crash. So how you can fix this WhatsApp crash, in this video I'm going to talking with about. Hi, I'm Mohammed Sajid Hassan, you're watching Sajidz Tech. Before starting this video, there are a request. If you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, let's start this. First of all, here it may be come from any one friend from you. And here guys, whenever you get this type of messages, that time your WhatsApp will be gradually turn off. So in this case, there have two options to fix this. The number one, this is uninstall your WhatsApp and then install it and it will be fixed. So here in this case, they have a problem or there may be a fear for you that you can lose some WhatsApp chats. So in this case, here you must have to be a good backup of WhatsApp chat. So in this case, the auto backup of your WhatsApp chat can be really helpful for you. But if you haven't any auto backup in your WhatsApp chat, that time it will be a very difficult task for you to get a backup because your WhatsApp will be gradually crashed on. So here guys, they have a bit tough chance for you to back up your WhatsApp. But if they have a backup in the previous that time, you can easily install your WhatsApp again and here your problem will be solved. The number second, this is they have also another problem is that here you might have to be a WhatsApp web app access. So in this case here guys, here in the before, if you have any WhatsApp web access, that time you can do it easily. So in this case, here in the desktop or laptop, here I open a WhatsApp. So here from I open a WhatsApp in my desktop browser app, and here this is web.whatsapp.com. And now go to in your WhatsApp again, and from here go to this three dot and go to on this WhatsApp web, and here you'll get a QR code and then your WhatsApp will be shown in your this time. So from here you need to go to on that specific chat by which chat you get this type of stupid message, and from here go to on this, and from here click on this three dot in the right side in the menu of this chat, and from here click on this delete chat to delete this chat so that they have no any backup of this. And then go to on this three dot, go to the settings, and from here go to on this blocked. So here from you will get this. Now click on this add blocked contact. So save this number if you haven't saved this number. So after that you can block this specific number from here, and by this way now you can also get that here these messages get blocked, and now you can delete that specific message and recognize your WhatsApp that it's not a message, and here this is come from by default. So here guys, this is the thing by which now you can fix up your text crash in your WhatsApp. And here guys, this is the thing. Now guys, it's your turn. Guys, can you fix up your WhatsApp crash by my this trick? That time please give a like that video. And guys, comment me below on this video and share this video with your friends so that your friend also know about this. So guys, no more today. We will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care. Have a nice day.